Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for all you foodies out there. We're diving into the world of vegan casseroles, and we've got 3 mouth-watering recipes to share with you. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. Vegan broccoli and rice casserole. Up next, we have a vegan broccoli and rice casserole. It's creamy, comforting, and a fantastic way to get your greens in. Here are the ingredients: 2 cups of cooked brown rice, 3 cups of broccoli florets, steamed, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a cup of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, a quarter cup of vegan butter, melted. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. In a saucepan, sauté the chopped onion and garlic until they become translucent. Then, add almond milk, nutritional yeast, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Stir until it thickens into a creamy sauce. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked brown rice, steamed broccoli, and the creamy sauce. Mix until everything is well coated. Transfer this mixture into a baking dish. Now, in a small bowl, mix the breadcrumbs with melted vegan butter. Sprinkle this mixture over the casserole. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until the top is golden and the casserole is bubbling. Our vegan broccoli and rice casserole is ready to enjoy. Creamy, crunchy, and oh so delicious. Last but not least, we have a vegan Mexican quinoa casserole. It's loaded with protein, veggies, and a burst of Mexican flavors. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of quinoa, rinsed, 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 cup of corn kernels, 1 bell pepper, diced, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of vegan cheese, optional. Start by cooking quinoa according to package instructions. In a large skillet, sauté the onion and garlic until they become fragrant. Add the bell pepper, corn, black beans, diced tomatoes with green chilies, and all the spices. Mix well. Transfer the cooked quinoa into the skillet with the veggie mixture and mix everything together. Pour this mixture into a baking dish. If you like, sprinkle vegan cheese on top for that extra gooey goodness. Pop it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's hot and bubbly. And there you have it, our vegan Mexican quinoa casserole. It's a fiesta of flavors in every bite. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.